Greetings and welcome. Alright, so when you're connecting life force and building the ball and whole body pore breathing into kinetic loading, where you want to create Fajan, you want to create a kinetic power, we first do this by relaxing, squeezing energy onto the bones. We want to build a linkage through the bones and joints. So when you vital breathe, you breathe in through the pores, expand yourself like a balloon, and you squeeze the bones ever so gently by just pulling the fascia onto the bone. Now, as you pull it onto the bone, it creates a type of load. Now, all you have to do is shunt, drop your body weight through the skeletal structure in the joints, and you can vibrate that power back out again. Then breathe and expand like a balloon, condense the vital energy onto the bones, condense, 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 and at the end of that condensing phase, shunt, drop your body weight, vibrate the energy out and make a kinetic wave from your bone and joint energy. It'll turn into a shock wave. Then you can touch your partner, feel their fascia, feel their shoulders, feel their hips, feel their joints all the way down to the ground. Through the fascia, tap the ground, drop your hips, stretch your spine underneath them, just get under them, condense into your bones and their bones together in the same way you do inside your body, you do in your body and their body together. Then drop your body weight into the bones, come underneath, tilt the scales, and then fire it through their center of gravity up and out and through their tension, and you'll start getting this kinetic wave hitting their tension and giving them a bounce. You just have to make sure you drop your hips, stretch your spine, become more grounded than them, bring them up, expand the mental space, and send a shock wave out as you shunt. Very simple model, very easy to do. Ensure that your partner's not trying to ground themselves, that they just let themselves float, that they're feeding their mind, their energy, their body weight into your fascial web, to your root, and that'll allow you to find what you're looking for and begin training it. Once you become proficient at that exercise, then you refine how you and your partner compress each other to create more kinetic waves of energy, more kinetic power. And then from those kinetic loads of energy and power, you refine your personality of the effects you have on your training partner. It's a very, very simple process. It's just a fine-tuning in the beginning. Once you're fine-tuned to what you're looking for, then you just develop it, and you develop it in your own unique way. Thank you for your time, and see you on the next video.